What is going on, guys, and welcome to this new video. This time I want to unbox the new Apple Watch Series 4 in 44mm with you. I just came back from the Apple Store and thought I'd do a quick unboxing and first look. So this is the packaging. It's the 44mm as I said, and it's the space gray version in the aluminum case with the black sport loop. So I would say let's get into it and peel off this. Didn't went too well here. Let's put that aside. And yeah, that's a new packaging here. Looks really nice. Guess you just pull here, pull here, and it opens. It's a nice little graphic inside, and we can already see the new design with the display going out to the edges. Really nice, really nice. So let's put that aside as well. So here we have the Apple Watch itself and the black sport loop. Let's start with the sport loop first. As you can see, I have a sport loop on my Apple Watch Series 3 here as well. I think we have to destroy this here. I bet, yeah. So here we have the black sport loop. Yeah, looks nice. Has this, I don't know if you can see that on camera. It has like little structured color, so it's not full black. Don't know if you can see that on camera really good, but yeah. Let's put it aside and get to the star of the show. So here it is, the new Apple Watch Series 4 in 42mm. Let's open this up, and wow, here it is. It's in a new little packaging. It's wrapped in some soft cloth or something like that, but let's put it aside really quick. Let's have a look what's inside here. The charging cable and the charger. In my case it's a European model, and yeah, in here we have a little manual, quick start guide, stuff like that. No Apple stickers. I think they were never included in the with the Apple Watch. Let's put that aside as well. Okay, let's get this out. Just put it in here for now. And have a look at the watch itself. Let's get it out of this little cloth. I mean, this is not like, this is like really solid. It's not something you would throw away or paper or something like that. It's really nice and soft. And wow, here we have it. The new Apple Watch Series 4. Yeah, I would say the first things, what I notice is that the buttons are a bit different. Let's see how it compares in size. It looked bigger to the on the pictures than it does on the than it does in reality. I will do a more detailed comparison of both watches later on. This should just be an unboxing and first look, so I would say I'll turn this thing on. I'll be right back when it runs. Alright, the watch booted up, and first thing you can see, you absolutely notice that the display is way bigger than on the Apple Watch Series 3. So when I go on the info button here, you can see the menu and you can feel the haptic feedback of the digital crown. Feels really nice. just like you're used to from the iPhones, and you can see the arrow up here, it's almost at the edge. It's really nice. Choose my region, setting the language. Okay, and now we have to pair it with the iPhone. So I will pair the watch now, and I'll be right back when everything is set up with the watch. Alright, so the watch is now all set up, and as you can see, even the regular watch face I also use on my Apple Watch Series 3 has changed. So the temperature is up here now instead of just like in the edge. Everything is rounder, and even in the menu you see it goes edge to edge. Everything is really on point. It looks like it's just display. You can't even see the edges around the corners. It's really impressive. Let's have a quick look at the new watch faces. So everything is way bigger now. Looks really cool. Mickey Mouse has changed as well. I don't think that these complications have been there before. So they are able to put way more information on the watch now as they used to before. I have to say I'm really impressed. Compared to the upgrade of the iPhone X, this is a real upgrade. This is really a great upgrade. Alright guys, I would say that's it for the unboxing and the first impressions of the Apple Watch Series 4. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get notified. I will be uploading a comparison video between the Apple Watch Series 4 and the Apple Watch Series 3. Thanks for watching and see you next time.